Today is Tuesday, February 15, 2022. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Nashville. Dress for cold. The temperature today should reach up to 59 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is at 48%. You can expect no rain and no snow today. Not many clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 10 miles per hour. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. For our next story, Bengals Super Bowl loss a reminder rebuild not complete. Inglewood, Caliph. The Cincinnati Bengals knew they needed drastic changes if they wanted to be a perennial playoff contender. In our next story, Kerry dies. Gary Puckett, the Union Gap co-founder country songwriter, was 77. Kerry, the bassist and co-founder of 60s hitmakers Gary Puckett Amp, the Union Gap, who went on to score multiple country hits as a songwriter, has died. He was 77. For our next story, Tennessee parents, teachers push back against mouse removal. Image via AP photo. Robin Rudd, Athens, 10. In our next story, Super Bowl 54 2022, predicting final box, fantasy stats for Rams vs. Bengals. Reid Hoffman, Associated Press. Joe Burrow is going to target Jamar Chase on a constant basis. Wow, I have no opinion at all, but Tennessee Tech edges SIUE 6864. Riverbender.com. Edwardsville. In a game in which neither team led by more than 5 points, Tennessee Tech edged SIUE women's basketball 6864. Saturday at First Community Arena. In our next story, Cougars upset bid falls short against Tennessee Tech. Alton Telegraph. Edwardsville. In a game in which neither team led by more than 5 points, Tennessee Tech edged SIUE women's basketball 6864 on Saturday at First Community Arena. Next up, NFL Draft 2022, latest order and mock draft predictions before Super Bowl game. Jason DeCrow, Associated Press. 1. Jacksonville Jaguars, Evan Neal, OT, Alabama. 2. Detroit Lions, Kayvon Thibodeau, Edge. Oregon. 3. Houston Texans, Aiden Hutchinson, Edge, Michigan. 4. That's it, Tennessee. Have a good one. We're always working to improve our service. Please subscribe to show support. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).